Alright, we're at Home Depot. This is the start of the mission. We're gonna take down Alex's door. Day 2, we measured. This door is about an inch smaller than we thought. We got a skill saw from a buddy. And, ready to do this.
Ready to do it. House.
Yeah, we need to cut a door.
What do you think?
Oh.
Is that?
Yeah, that's fine as long as you don't cut the table.
Yeah. I just need to cut it.
Okay.
Basically, your house or something.
Yeah.
So yeah. There it is. Let me get the doorknob.
All right.
$8.
Hey.
What do you think?
Pretty good. I just hope that it's like right.
We just installed the knob wrong and be like, dude, if you want it fixed, you
gotta do it yourself.
Oh, what's up, Alex?
Right. John, remember, Sean's door's gonna be open, so you can swing with you like. Okay, I'm gonna put one swing in, then you have to hit it. You hit 2 hits, and then I'll come in. No, I'm hitting 1, and then you. If it goes through, if it doesn't go through, keep going.
We're here, Alex, we'll get you! Alex, we're coming out! We're coming out, Alex! We're coming!
That's good. Get the door.
Shit, come in. Alex, we're sick of your doorknob, so we bought you a whole new door and we put a doorknob in it. We're gonna install it for you tonight.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas! Merry Christmas!
All right, we're gonna clean everything up and we're installing right now, okay?
Right now, we're installing in the next hour.
All right. How is the fear?
I was not scared as much as
All right, Alex, we will clean it up. We literally been playing it for like a week.
That should work.